Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have something new for US market, and this is brand DAREU and keyboard EK75 Pro, which is interesting. 75% layout with a knob and PBT double shot keycaps and pre-looped custom switches and RGB and 3 mod connections. So let's open the box, let's check what we have inside. Let's do the testing, let's check what is inside of the case, sound test, RGB test. So first of all, let's check what we have inside the box. So inside the package we have the keyboard itself on the first place. There we go. By the way, really lightweight, even that it's a wireless and with a battery inside. Its battery is around 4000 mAh. A little bit less, but very promising sound. But I will back to this later. We have simple keycap puller and switch puller. We have several additional keycaps, so we can do the customization of this keyboard immediately out of the box. We have simple USB-A, USB-C connection cable, and we have manual. Okay, let's check together what we have outside of the case or of the keyboard. So I can see the plastic knob on the right side. We have some indicators of caps lock, wireless, and and battery status, right? From the back side we have, as always, two options how to elevate the angle of the keyboard. We have USB dongle. This is wireless dongle, so we have a slot for it, which is nice. I can see the switcher between wireless and Bluetooth and Type-C port. Also, I've noticed that this is additional RGB strips on the left and the right side. Okay, let's take a closer look on the keycaps, what we have today. So this is double shot PBT, pretty well made keycaps, not shine through. So please check this out a little bit closer, right? So you see that it's a double shot PBT, pretty well made, I would say, with interesting legends. And from the switch point of view, we have linear, classical linear. Okay, so what we have? We have three pins linear switch, right? With very pleasant sound. Check this closer to my mic. And let me open it and let's check, is it pre-loop or not? Let me try to show you closer. I can clearly see that they are pre-looped. Yeah, there you go. Now you can see it. From the RGB point of view, I can see south-facing RGB, which is interesting. It gives you opportunity to use some interesting side-printed keycaps with side-printed legends, right? And I also can see that PCB supports 3 or 5 pin, which is provide you versatility, and you can choose whatever switches you want, right? Also, I can see that we have a switch pad, and this switch pad provides this smooth typing experience, what I already can catch during our review. Regarding the knob, it's plastic, very simple, so maybe you want to change it for something else. From stabilizer's point of view, you can see this silicone line or under the spacebar. I'm first time seeing this approach in mechanical keyboards, and it's a great idea. Also, you can see, I will try to do it as close as possible, that stabilizers pre-looped, which is good, and kind of hidden under this silicone layer. Inside the box we can see that it's pretty good size, I mean pretty good layer of foam, sound dampening foam, right, under PCB, cut it for the size and for the foam shape of this case, right? Then we can see PCB. Between PCB and switch plate we can see the silicone layer, right? And again, on top of the switch plate I can see the silicone layer. From the structure point of view, I mentioned that this is gasket mounted structure, and I think the idea is that this lacks play and roll of gasket mounted. So it's pretty wide range of mods what you can apply. Just let me know in the comment section down below if you would like me to do a modding of this keyboard, because I see a lot of area of improvement, and take into account that this keyboard not bad from the box, it could be really interesting result with modding. Okay, it's time for sound test. As I mentioned before, I'm really surprised with the sound of this keyboard, because this is pretty nice, calm sound. So, as I mentioned earlier, if you want me to mod this keyboard and bring it to the absolutely another level of sound, I mean little bit improved level of this good sound, just let me know. From RGB point of view, you can switch different modes how you want to bring this. You can increase the brightness or decrease. In general, we are not playing the major role on this keyboard, because you cannot see the legends, RGB through the legends, because they are not shine through. But in general, because this is a gaming keyboard, so it's adding atmosphere to how the keyboard looks like. And also you have additional set of keycaps, and you can change your escape and enter and arrows, so it will bring additional color to this keyboard. Also, you have DAREU driver. You can download it from the main site of this brand, and you will be able to customize your keys, macros, RGB lights, settings, etc. So if you're into it, please do it. If you want to see other videos of other mechanical keyboard on my channel, please check this video, and thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.